kababayan, kanina pumutok kasi yung balita, interview ni Senator Amy Marcos at saka po ni Senator Ping Lacson. At doon nga po nagulat ng lahat nang sinabi nila na nakakuha ng sapat na suporta at pirma eto pong si Senator etong si Tito Sen para maging Senate President. So pakinggan muna natin. Eto muna kay Senator Ping bago yung kay Amy.
Next. Dito. Yes.
Yan.
Ilan na yung pumirma, sir? Mamaya, malaman niyo mamaya.
Pero sir, sure na.
Yeah.
Sure na sa SP, sir.
Yeah. Mamaya niyo makikita sa floor. Pero sure na si SP, sir.
Sir, anong magiging ano nyo?
Sir, meron kayo.
Mamaya rin.
Blue ribbon, sir.
Grabe.
Pro tempore. Thank you.
Ayan na. Di ba mamaya malalaman daw tapos nagkaroon ng interview itong sa Amy. Tuloy na natin.
May bagong SP na raw po ba?
Ang balita ko, nakaka-15 na daw na pirma, pero
Oh.
kami hindi kinakausap.
Ibig sabihin mga kababayan, kung totoo yung sinasabi ni Senator Amy Marcos na naka-15 na boto etong si Tito Sen, meron talaga diyang ibang mga senator na nakisama lang kay Senate President Chis Escudero nung una-una. Kaya nakisama siguro, ewan natin, baka nagkaroon ng kapartido sa insertion. Pero ang maganda kasi dito mga kababayan, nagising sila sa panawagan ng taong bayan na dapat magkaroon ng integridad at maayos na mamumuno dyan po sa Senado. Kasi kung si Senate President Chis Escudero pa rin, walang mangyayari dyan. Babatikusin ng taong bayan yan at baka nga mauwi pa tayo sa nangyari sa Indonesia na kung saan hindi na natutuwa ang taong bayan doon sa isang sangay ng gobyerno kaya nag-aklas yung iba. So ngayon kung titingnan nyo mga kababayan, napakalaking bagay na ang bagong Senate President ay subok na sa mahabang panahon. Napakalaking bagay na si Tito Sen ang naging Senate President. Bakit? Kasi di ba ang isinusulo nga ng mga Soto yung good governance? Kaya nga kung iisipin nyo mga kababayan, ang gusto ni Tito Sen magkaroon ng transparency at yan yung hindi na ibigay ni Chis Escudero nung siya ang Senate President. Lalo na nung kainitan ng issue ng impeachment ni Sara Duterte. Diba sa clip na sundin nila ang saligang batas, anong ginawa nila? Pinaasa nila at ginawa nilang uto-uto ang sambayan ng Pilipino. Kaya dapat lang talaga sa kanya na masibak po sa pwesto. Anyway, tuloy natin.
Wala akong kaalam-alam, nababalitaan ko lang kanina, nagpirmahan daw. Pero wala namang binigay sa akin, nagtitignan, wala namang kumausap, wala namang nagkumbinse. Parang nalito nga kami ni Nabato, nalito rin kami ni Nabongo. Ano ba nangyayari pala si Senator Robin na patakbo yata kay SP Cheese? Nagkakalituhan bakit yung Duterte Black na out kami?
Sino daw po
Hindi na kasi kailangan ng suporta nyo. Hindi na kailangan ng suporta nyo. Okay na, sapat na yung suporta.
papalit na SP?
Ang balita si dating SP Soto at marami na raw nasungkit, nasa 15 na daw ang pirma.
Thank you po.
Ngayon, punta tayo sa mismong hearing ng Senado. Eto, grabe no? Talagang mangiyak-ngiyak dito mga kababayan yung yung mukha ni Senator Jinggoy Estrada hindi maipinta nung pinalitan siya bilang Senate Pro Tempore. So ito, play natin. Yan
Secretary, please call the roll.
Roll call of members. The Honorable Senator Aquino. Senator Cayetano Alan. Senator Cayetano Pia. Senator De La Rosa. Senator Ejercito. Senator Estrada. Senator Gatchalian. Senator Go. Senator Ontiveros. Senator Lacson. Senator Lapid.
Ay, tingnan nyo naman si Senate Pro Tempore. Hindi maipinta mga kababayan yung mukha. Siyempre, ikaw ga naman, biglaing ka. Wala kayong kaalam-alam, may regudon pala na nangyari. May nakalaga pala mga kababayan, may nakakuha pala ng 15 votes. Diba? Wala silang kaalam-alam, sorpresa kasi yung nangyari mga kababayan. Kasi nga naman, kung hindi magpapalit po ng ang Senado, ng Senate President, paniwala kayo mga kababayan, palubog ang imahe at integridad ng Senado. Lalo na at sunod-sunod yung mga matitinding issue na nangyari na kung saan may isang senador na nasangkot yung kanyang sa paggamit ng ipinagbabawal na damo, lalo na sa impeachment ni Sara Duterte, halos magalit ang sambayan ng Pilipino sa Senado ngayon, tama lang na nagkaroon ng pagpapalit.
Senator Legarda. Senator Marcoleta. Senator Marcos. Senator Padilla, Senator Pangilinan, Senator Soto, Senator Tulfo Erwin, Senator Tulfo Rafi, Senator Villanueva, Senator Villar Camil, Senator Villar Mark, Senator Zubiri, the Senate President.
With 24 senators present, Chair declares the presence of a quorum. Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President. Before we proceed, may I just be allowed to acknowledge some guests from the gallery. Guests of Senator De La Rosa, Mindanao State University Alumni Association, led by National President Engineer Samuel Sabenicio. LGU officials of Tubayagusan del Norte, led by Mayor Jimmy Beray. LGU officials of Birac, Catanduanes, led by Mayor Sinforoso Sarmiento.
Eto mga kababayan, ngayon nagpalit na ng Senate Presidency, dyan po sa Senado. Ano naaamoy nyo pagdating ng 2026? Hindi, ano naaamoy nyo pagdating ng 2026?
Guests of Senator Gatchalian, Vice Mayor Alberto Giang Jr. of Burgos, Pangasinan. Guests of Senator Go, Vice Mayor Rondon Mercado of Minalin, Pampanga. Guests of Senator Pangilinan, Attorney Moslem Macarambon, Chairperson of the Marawi Compensation Board. And guests of Senator Ejercito, Legit Status Dance Crew. Mr. President, they won the 2025 World Hip Hop Dance Championship in Arizona, USA. We welcome them in this August chamber, Mr. President.
To our aforementioned guests, welcome to your Senate. Majority Leader.
Mr. President, the distinguished gentleman from Bukidnon, Senator Mig Zubiri, is seeking the floor. I move that he be recognized, Mr. President.
The Honorable Mig Zubiri is recognized. You may proceed, sir.
Thank you very much, Mr. President. Mr. President, I would like to move to declare the position of the Senate President as vacant, Mr. President.
Is there any objection? Hearing none.
Ay, galit na si Chis, oh. Galit na si Senate President Chis Escudero. Bakit nyo nga naman, sinorpresa? Nangyari, itbulaga, no? Sinorpresa ng matindi si SP Chis. Yan tuloy, mga kababayan, tanggal sa pwesto.
The motion is approved.
Pak!
Chair will suspend session and ask Senator Jingo Estrada to kindly ascend the rostrum and preside over the session. Senate session is suspended.
Pak! Grabe, no? Grabe, no?
Gentleman from Bukidnon, Senator Zubiri, for his nomination. So move, Mr. President.
Yan.
An objection? There being none, motion is approved.
Pak!
Maraming salamat, Mr. President.
Oh, ba't malungkot si Senator Jinggoy?
Mr. President, I have the honor of nominating Senator Vicente C. Soto III as Senate President. We already know him to be a leader of great integrity, as exemplified by his time as Vice Mayor of Quezon City, as Senate Majority Leader, as Senate Minority Leader, and of course, as Senate President. Having had the honor of working alongside him as his Majority Leader during the 17th and 18th Congress, I witnessed firsthand his peerless leadership and work ethic, and I can say with conviction that he has been nothing short of a reliable and trustworthy leader. As Senate President, he always led with fairness and transparency, and he led with an open ear and a decisive hand, ensuring unity and stability in the Senate at all times. Most importantly, he was a traditionalist in the very best sense of the word, consistently upholding the rules and traditions that protected the integrity of the Senate as the nation's last bastion of democracy. With Senator Soto as Senate President, the Senate is in good hands. Maraming salamat po, Your Honors.
Ama!
Thank you, Senator Zubiri.
Pag si Tito Sen ang nasa Senado, ang Senado, tandaan nyo, nasa mabuting kamayan. Pagka si Tito Sen ang naging Senate President. Kasi nga, eto mga kababayan, ilang beses ko nang ipinapaliwanag to nung tayo ay nasa showbiz. Kahit nung nasa showbiz pa yung ating topic mga kababayan, meron tayong isang balita na nakita na hindi po ginalaw ni Tito Sen yung pera ng Senado. Nung umalis siya mga kababayan at tumakbo bilang Vice President, ibinalik niya po ng buong buo yung pera ng Senado sa kaban ng bayan. Kaya nga kung titingnan nyo mga kababayan, mas mabuti na si Tito Sen ang maging Senate President para maibalik naman yung nasirang integridad ng Senado. Kasi hanggat si former Senate President Chis Escudero yung nakaupo dyan, walang mangyayari sa Senado. Tandaan nyo yan. Anyway, tuloy pa natin.
Zubiri, Majority Leader.
Yes, Mr. President, there are no other nominations. Mr. President, I therefore move that we close the period of nomination. So moved, Mr.
Any
President.
objection? There being none, the motion is hereby approved.
Ang lungkot ni
Mr. President, Senator Ligarda is also seeking the floor. I move that she be recognized, Mr. President.
Senator Legarda is hereby recognized.
Grabe, no? Sorpresa tayong lahat.
Thank you, Mr. President. Distinguished colleagues, the Filipino people have always looked to the Senate as a pillar of our democracy. In times of profound challenges, when our citizens yearn for clarity and wisdom, they expect us to steady the ship and steer it with a clear compass towards safer shores. They do not ask for eloquence alone, but for proof that we can all place country above self and that we can govern with discipline, foresight, and courage. Discipline to resist the distractions of partisanship and to keep public service anchored in principle. Foresight to craft laws that anticipate the future rather than merely react to crisis. And the courage to take the difficult but necessary decisions that secure the long-term welfare of our people, even when they come at significant political cost. Let me emphasize, leadership in this chamber is never a solitary duty. It is a shared guardianship of a trust that belongs to the Filipino people. The Senate at its finest when debate sharpens judgment and unity springs from conviction. This, I believe, is what Senator Vicente Tito Soto III embodies and why I rise in support of his nomination as Senate President. During my first term long ago, I served as
Sakit,
majority
no?
leader while he was minority leader. I witnessed his respect for balance and fairness, ensuring that this chamber remained a forum of reason and accountability. Later, as chair of the Committee on Finance under his Senate presidency, I saw his firm hand in guiding our work, listening to every voice, building consensus, reminding us constantly that governance must yield tangible results for the people. These are qualities tested by time and proven by service. Senator Tito Soto commands respect through fairness, humility, and his ability to unite diverse voices. For these reasons, I second the nomination of Senator Vicente Soto III as Senate President.
Thank you, Senator Legarda.
Mr. President, move for the previous motion. There being no other nomination. So move, Mr. President.
It has been moved by the Majority Leader and seconded by Senator Lauren Legarda that the nomination be closed. Is there any objection? Hearing none, the motion is hereby approved. There being no other
Walang tumutol. Walang tumututol, mga kababayan. Tuloy natin.
nominees for the position, Senator Vicente Soto, the only nominee for the position of the Senate President, is hereby declared as the newly elected President of the Senate.
Mr. President, may I move that we suspend the session to allow the newly elected Senate President to take his oath, Mr. President.
Session is hereby suspended.
Pak! Eto na! Eto na, mga kababayan. Grabe, sa wakas. Kahit papaano, magiging okay na ang Senado. Diba? Alam ko, marami pang aayusin dyan si Tito Sen sa Senado dahil nga sa mga palpak na nangyari sa previous, alam nyo na mga kababayan, pamumuno ni Senate President, si Escudero. Alam natin, marami pang aayusin si Tito Soto. Pero at least panatag ang mamamayang Pilipino na ang Senado ngayon ay nasa kamay na ng mabuting tao na nagsusulong ng transparency. Ano po, kasi sa pamumuno ni Senate President Jesus Escudero, walang nangyaring transparency, mga kababayan. Sila pa nga nai-issue sa mga insertion. Diba? Yung 142 billion pesos na hindi may paliwanag kung saan napunta. So ngayon, at least kahit papaano, maganda na. Ang gaganda na ang Senado dahil nasa mabuting kamay na. Grabe, no? Tsaka napakabait din kasi ni Tito Sen. Napaka-transparency pa. Anyway, shoutout po Grabe, congrats. Eto na. Grabe, no? Tsaka isipin nyo, mga kababayan, nung ginanya nila si Subire,
Of the newly elected Senate President.
diba ngayon, nangyayari na kay Chis Escudero, yung masorpresa. Diba, sinorpresa din nila dati si Subire. So ngayon, nangyayari na kay Chis Escudero. Anyway, ituloy natin.
Mr. President.
Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I, please state your name.
I, Vicente C. Soto III,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
having been elected to the position of Senate President,
do hereby solemnly swear
do hereby solemnly swear
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
that I will well and faithfully discharge,
to the best of my ability,
to the best of my ability,
the duties of my present position
the duties of my present position,
and of all others I may hereafter hold
and of all others I may hereafter hold
under the Republic of the Philippines.
under the Republic of the Philippines,
That I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines.
that I will support and defend the Constitution of the Philippines,
That I will obey the laws,
that I will obey the laws,
legal orders,
legal orders,
and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and decrees promulgated by the duly constituted authorities,
and maintain true faith and allegiance
and maintain true faith and allegiance
to the Republic of the Philippines.
to the Republic of the Philippines,
And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
and that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily,
without mental reservation
without mental reservation
or purpose of evasion.
or purpose of evasion.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Hey!
Thank you, sir.
Woo! Solid. Grabe, no? Sa bakas.
May I ask for a minute suspension, Mr. President.